What if I told you that you could start a YouTube channel today without ever showing your face, without recording your own voice, and without spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on equipment? And not only that, you could do it entirely using free or low-cost AI tools, creating videos that look and sound professional, while tapping into one of the biggest opportunities on the internet right now. That's exactly what we're diving into today. Step by step, how to create a faceless YouTube channel using only AI. By the end of this video, you'll not only know which tools to use, but also how to put them together into a system that allows you to create consistent, binge-worthy content and grow an audience. Before we get started, I want you to think about something. Some of the biggest YouTube channels in the world aren't built on a single person's face or personality. Think of channels like Kurzgesagt, Top 10 Countdown channels, motivational video pages, and AI news commentary channels. They thrive because of the content, not the creator's face. And right now, AI has lowered the barrier to entry so much that almost anyone with an internet connection can start. So let's break it down step by step. The very first thing you need to do is pick a niche. And I know you've probably heard that advice before, but let me explain why it matters even more when you're building a faceless channel. When you're not relying on personality, your content has to be extra clear on what the value is. Are you teaching people something? Entertaining them? Keeping them updated on the latest trends? For example, niches like AI news, productivity hacks, finance tips, motivational content, or even simple storytelling channels all work brilliantly. The key is finding a topic that has both a big audience and plenty of room for you to create consistent content. Once you've nailed down your niche, the next step is scripting your video. Now here's the beauty of AI. You don't have to sit in front of a blank page anymore. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini can help you generate scripts that are structured, SEO-friendly, and engaging. But here's the trick. Don't just copy and paste what the AI gives you. Use it as a foundation, then polish it up with your own style, add hooks, engagement cues, and make sure it speaks to your audience. For example, if you're doing a video about productivity hacks, you don't want just a generic list of tips. You want real storytelling, relatable examples, and clear action steps. AI will give you 70% of the structure, but you add the personality through tone and editing. Now, once you have a script, you need a voice. And this is where AI text-to-speech comes in. There's some incredible tools right now like ElevenLabs, Play.ht, or even free ones like CapCut's built-in AI voices. The goal is to pick a voice that matches the vibe of your channel. If you're running a tech news channel, maybe go for a clear, professional male or female voice. If you're doing motivational content, choose something with more energy and warmth. The best part? These AI voices are natural sounding enough that most viewers won't even know it's not a real narrator. So you've got your script and your voice. What about visuals? This is where faceless channels get really creative. You have a few options. One is using stock footage, and sites like Faceless, Pictory, and Unsplash give you tons of free video clips that you can legally use. Another option is AI video tools like Pictory, InVideo, or HeyGen, where you can literally paste in your script and have the software generate a video with visuals, transitions, and subtitles automatically. You can also use Canva or CapCut to combine stock footage, text overlays, and simple animations. The key is keeping the video visually engaging, so viewers don't click away. Don't let your visuals stay static for too long. Switch up footage, add motion text, throw in simple transitions. Now let's talk about editing, because editing is what turns a collection of clips into an actual video. With tools like CapCut or Descript, editing has become way more accessible. Descript, for example, lets you edit videos just by editing the text transcript. That means you can cut out mistakes or awkward pauses in seconds. CapCut gives you templates, transitions, and effects that look polished without requiring you to be a pro editor. The goal here is flow. Your video should never feel slow or draggy. Every 5 to 10 seconds, something on screen should change, whether it's a new clip, a zoom, or some text. That's what keeps viewers engaged. Quick pause here. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more people can discover it, and subscribe if you want more step-by-step AI tutorials just like this. All right, let's keep going. You've got a script, a voiceover, visuals, and editing sorted. Now comes one of the most important steps for actually growing on YouTube, SEO optimization. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. If you're creating videos without thinking about keywords, you're leaving views on the table. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to research what people are searching for in your niche. For example, if your channel is about AI tools, don't just title your video AI Tools 2025. That's too broad. Instead, go for something like 5 free AI tools that will save you hours in 2025. Add keywords naturally in your title, description, and tags, but don't keyword stuff. The goal is to match your audience's intent. And speaking of thumbnails, let's not ignore design. A faceless channel doesn't mean a faceless thumbnail. In fact, your thumbnail matters even more because it has to tell the story in a single image. Use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or Figma to create bold, clean designs with contrasting colors. Think about curiosity and clarity. Can someone glance at your thumbnail and instantly know what the video is about and feel intrigued enough to click? That's the sweet spot. But here's a question a lot of beginners have. Can you actually make money with a faceless AI-generated channel? The answer is yes, but let's be real, it doesn't happen overnight. YouTube monetization requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year. Once you hit that, you can start earning through AdSense. But beyond ads, faceless channels open up other revenue streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, selling digital products, or even offering services related to your niche. Imagine you're running a channel about AI productivity tools. You could include affiliate links to the tools you recommend. And every time someone signs up, you get a commission. That's how faceless channels scale income faster. Here's something important to keep in mind. AI can make the process easier, but it doesn't replace creativity. The channels that win are the ones that combine AI efficiency with human insight. For example, 2 people could use the exact same script generator and voiceover tool, but the person who adds a unique twist, interesting storytelling, and well-designed thumbnails is the one who will stand out. AI gives you the foundation, but your creativity makes the channel memorable. Let's circle back and put this into a clear system you can follow. Step 1, pick your niche. Step 2, generate and polish your script using AI tools. Step 3, create a voiceover with an AI text-to-speech tool. Step 4, add visuals using stock footage, AI video generators, or editing tools. Step 5, edit for flow and engagement. Step 6, optimize your video with SEO research. Step 7, design a compelling thumbnail. And Step 8, repeat this consistently, batching content when possible. Now, let's imagine an example workflow. Say you want to start a faceless channel about personal finance tips. You could go into ChatGPT and ask to generate a 1,500-word script about 5 money mistakes to avoid in your 20s. Then you take that script, paste it into ElevenLabs, and get a natural-sounding AI voiceover. For visuals, you grab stock clips of people budgeting, using ATMs, or scrolling through banking apps, combine them in CapCut with animated text overlays, and add a few graphics from Canva. In a couple of hours, you've got a polished 8-minute video ready to upload. Multiply that process by 3 to 4 times a week, and within a few months, you have a real growing channel. We're wrapping up, but I want to leave you with this. YouTube is shifting. It's no longer just about personality-driven channels. AI has opened the door for a new wave of creators who can deliver valuable content without being on camera. If you've ever wanted to start a channel but felt held back by shyness, lack of equipment, or fear of judgment, this is your time. The tools are here. The audience is waiting. All that's left is for you to start. So, if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Share this with a friend who's been thinking about starting YouTube but doesn't know where to begin. And if you wanted to cover specific AI tools or give you a deep dive tutorial on one of them, drop a comment below. Your feedback shapes the videos I make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.